Hello, I'm Chuck Larson, the Director of Training and Support here for Visionary, and we're at InfoComm 2026. And one of the things that we're showing is we're introducing here is our nexAV Visionary Weko system. At the heart of the Weko system is our nexAV server here. It's actually built off commodity hardware, and it is a audio, video, and control system. Up here, what we're showing initially is when you log in. This is also browser-based, so there's no proprietary software that you need to download. You just need the IP address to log into the unit and then go from there. When you initially log into the unit, we've got auto discovery of our video endpoints, so we can do drag and drop routing, so we can choose a source and actually just drag it right to our destination and go from there. It also comes with a Flex architecture audio DSP. This is our initial template that we're showing here, which is a 16x8 zone mixer. It contains all your essential audio blocks to do that. We've got input processing, output processing, zone mixing with ducking, everything that you would look for in a zone mixer. In addition, we've built in some integration with some of our Weko system partners. Here's an example of the Netgear configurator, where we can onboard Netgear switches and then configure them up to 3 VLANs. So if I want to configure a video VLAN, I easily can do that, assign the ports, assign an IP to the interface, turn on a DHCP server, all the basics that you would need to configure your network. We also have right here we're showing an integration with RDL. Here's an RDL endpoint. nexAV doesn't have any analog I/O. It is a Dante or AES67 interface or DSP. So we can leverage the partnerships with these Weko system partners to bring audio in and out of the system from there. But the heart of the system really is wrapped in Node-RED. Node-RED is a control and automation environment that's been developed about a decade or so ago by IBM, and there's a global development community that's been building upon this for about the past decade. All of that now becomes available to you. I'm going to give you a quick demo of, let's say, I said this is our 16x8 zone mixer, but maybe instead of 16 meters, we want to drop it down to 4 and give an end user control of a single zone, so maybe one output fader. We can very simply go into our Node-RED environment. I'm going to open up this here. I'm going to change this from 16 channels to 4. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to grab my faders that's here. I'm going to go from 8 down to 1. And then I'm going to deploy this. And if I go back to our dashboard, we're now 4 meters and a single fader. We did this in real time without interrupting any of the audio flow. This is part of the power of using Node-RED, the Visionary nexAV, and our Weko system. If you'd like any more information, please visit our website, www.visionary-av.com, or come see us here at the InfoComm booth. Thanks a lot.